Okay, in this lesson we're going to learn how to draft a Peter Pan collar. A Peter Pan collar looks like this, and it's very easy to draft, super easy to draft. All you need is a front and a back. Let's do it. Okay, so we'll use our back sloper. Here's our center back. Place our center back with a line with one of these numbers or dots if you do have this kind of dotted paper. If you don't, that's okay. And I'm going to line it up like this. And then I'll take the front sloper and I'm going to take the shoulder seam of the front, matching it with the shoulder seam of my back. See, the two shoulders meet up right here. And now I'm going to trace my neckline. I'm going to start by tracing my center back, maybe 4, 5, 6 inches, just a small section, just like this. Trace your center back, trace your back neckline, moving on to the front neckline and to center front, and just a little bit of the center front section, just like that. So you have basically that. So this is our center back and this is our center front right here. Okay, you should know the size of our Peter Pan collar. Maybe it's 2, 3 inches. And so from center back, we're gonna measure maybe 2, 3 inches, whatever the size you want your Peter Pan collar. And then watch this. I'm gonna do it with one sweep from center back here. I'm going to create our center front meets back over here. And there's our Peter Pan collar. Ta-da! Now, if you don't feel confident to do it with one freehand sweep, you can always use good old hip curve or French curve, and you can trace your French curve to create a beautiful shaped Peter Pan collar. And if you wanted to cut it out and staple it to Manila to create a Manila pattern, you staple it, cut it out, and just like we did in the Mandarin collar, in the previous Mandarin collar, we cut it twice. See, there's two pieces, one for the top collar and one for the under collar. And when you remove the dotted paper, you have 2 pieces. Here's your Peter Pan. And on the forum, it looks like this. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.